first module deals with the food health environment nexus. In other words, it gives a diagnosis of the food systems. Module 2 deals with the assessment of the food system, while the module 3 deals with the transformations and interventions needed to render the food systems sustainable. We have been identified 5 so-called macro challenges in line with the UN SDGs. As you can see, one of these macro challenges focuses on the consumption of products of animal origin and sustainability. Another one on ultra-processed foods, industrialization of food and sustainable development. A third one on local and short supply chains. A fourth one on environmental issues. And the fifth one on food-related health problems. Students are asked to build inter-university teams and to define their own challenges. In the Module 1 first week, we revise the key concepts and we give a contextualization. Then in the second week, the students are asked to define their own challenges. And in the remaining weeks, we discuss about food environment nexus, food health nexus, and cultural factors influencing our diet. As supporting tools, we offer lectures, tutorials, and panel discussions. Next slide, please. After this module, we will introduce students, we will explain students why evaluation is a mandatory aspect of the student challenge, how to transform the research questions of the student challenges into protocols. For this, we also would like to offer students supporting tools. For example, during the reading weeks, the students will receive scientific articles to understand food environments and framework of data collection, but they also can test on-site through a joint local case study, a proposed data collection protocol, and then the collected data will be shared, analyzed, discussed, and will be applied for their own challenges as well. The need of a multi-actor approach to agri-food system transformation will be demonstrated to the students through field trips. Here you can see in this academic year, one of the field trips will focus on bottom-up initiatives. For example, students at each location will have a field trip. So at one of the locations, they will visit an ecological farm, others will visit community gardens and cooperative supermarkets. In another week, students will explore food waste, recovery of nutrients, and reutilization of foods by visiting a communal waste dump, or by studying the activity of an NGO on the food surplus redistribution. And also students can learn about composting